Hello everyone and welcome to a new The Blueprints machine development video. I've been in a kind of a pause during this last week doing some brainstorming, and I finally designed a very simple level so I can show you how it will work. I think many people still haven't got the idea of how I want this to work, this game. So I hope with this I can do you a short demo and it will be more clear. So I've opened up a few levels here, but we're just going to see one of them. As I said previously, the purpose of these worlds is to have like a theme. So World 2 can be focused on math, World 3 can be focused on small games or physics, World 4 logic gates and integrated circuits. So different things we can explore, different themes that we can explore through the blueprints. So let's go and try out this level 1 of World 4, which is logic gates and integrated circuits. So when you open up, you'll see a cleaner screen with info about the level. This is just junk text, so don't bother reading. And the purpose of this info is to give you like the what is the aim, what do you have to do, and perhaps some hints. Edit will open up the usual user interface that you've seen before with the nodes and the controls, and the run will actually show you the level itself. So here we can see what the purpose of this level is: to design these two gates, not AND and exclusive OR gate, so that we have 1, 2, and 3 inputs and 1 output. So when you go to the edit mode, you'll see that we have 1, 2, and 3 inputs and output that match exactly. When you come to the run mode, you'll see these 3 balls here. These are the tests that the computer will do. So for each level, when you click play, it will generate different inputs and you'll analyze the output to see if they match. So you'll have 3 goes, and if all the 3 are correct, it means you have won the level. So right now, if I just press play, I get a failure right in number 1 because nothing is happening. So let's go and start editing this. The NOT AND gate, we can start by this one. The inputs come from slot 1 and 2. So if I go here, my slot 1 and 2, I need a NOT AND gate. And the way I do a NOT AND gate is very easy because I have an AND and I have a NOT. So I just connect AND 1 and 2 and a NOT. And so the output from this will be the output from here. So right now I need to connect the output to the input of the exclusive OR gate with the input 3, and that will give me my final output. So how do I do exclusive OR? Exclusive OR means only one of the gates, only one of the inputs must be true. So if they are both the same, whether they are true or they are false, then the result will always be false. The way I do this, putting it in another way, is if they are equal, then this is false, and if they are different, then this is true, because if they are different means one is true and the other is false. So I can do this easily using an if, and I connect the input from the output from the NOT AND with the input number 3. If they are equal, I put a NOT. So now I have if they are not equal. So this is the same as the exclusive OR. So let me connect it here. And now let's run it. Right, right, and right. Okay, so now something will show up saying that you have won this level and you can progress further. So if I go to the levels, now I have level 2 open up and I can play level 2. Ideally, you'll also be able to play level 1 again, and I'm thinking saving the blueprints of the levels that you've won or the levels that you are working on, so that you can go back later and see how you did it, or you don't really need a save game and load game feature. So that's all for now, and I'll keep adding some new stuff. My aim now is to have maybe 3 levels properly working and ready, and then I will probably release a version of the game for public testing and demonstration, also to raise a little bit more awareness of the game, as I'm still thinking seriously in the early alpha version. Let's see how it goes. So thank you, take care, bye bye.